But I love this one. This here. This is called a weed. Sometimes it's called pigweed. Sometimes it's called goosefoot. And most people just pull it. It's a weed. But this is lambsquarters. I don't know. Is it a goose? Is it a pig? Is it a lamb? But it's a quinoa, right? So it's going to seed right here. So you can, yeah, they're not. Oh yeah. See those little black seeds? Those are edible. You put, that's the grain, high protein grain. So you see these seeds? So you can eat those seeds. But what I like to do is I like to pick the stem, and I take this like this and I strip it. Okay, and I get all the kind of curl the stem out, and I get the leaf and the seeds. Not just the seed, but the whole seed pod like this. Right? So I'll show you again. So what I like is I love the leaves. I get all the leaves, and then I gather up all these seed pods, not just the seeds, but the whole part of the seed. And then I saute that with scrambled eggs. Oh my goodness. Or you just gather up these leaves and you supplement any other green that you're sauteing or that you're steaming. So you can mix the quinoa leaves, you can mix the lamb's quarter leaves in with your chard, your kale, your, you know, any of your dark leafy greens. You can add this green to it. You can do just this, but you can also mix your greens. And this green, it's high, it has protein and it's high in B vitamins. It's a powerful, nutrition dense green. Super, super good for you. And then you've got the protein that's in the seeds, but these seeds, they're like, when you saute them, they're crunchy. This is actually truly one of my favorite vegetables in exactly this stage. I mean, I love it when it's early in the season, it's just only greens. I love the greens, but I like it in this stage when you also get these crunchy seeds. So I like to mix the seeds and the leaf and this whole seed, the whole thing, and oh, I love this. So again, high in B vitamins, high in protein, super great leafy green, and it just grows. It's a, you know, it's considered a weed, and it's really, really good for you. And I like it. And sometimes the there's, you know, the leaves can be darker green, and there's also a magenta lamb's quarters where the leaves have a little bit of pink on them. So there are different varieties. But this is actually the stage that I like the best because you get not only the seed, but you also get the seed pods, and then you also get the seeds too. So this is lamb's quarter, and yeah, yum.